Hello, folks! Welcome back, and join me as I dive into the world of luxury and see if I can guess the top 10 most expensive watches of 2024. Luxury watches are more than just timepieces. They're symbols of wealth, status, and craftsmanship. They're a reflection of one's success, and for many, the ultimate status symbol. Determining the most expensive watches in the world can be a challenge, as the market is constantly shifting and auction records are constantly being broken. We have to consider the rarity of the materials, the craftsmanship, and the provenance of each timepiece. It's not just about the price tag, it's about the story behind it. The value of a luxury watch lies not only in its aesthetic appeal, but also in its historical significance and the prestige associated with owning it. To compile this list, we've scoured the market, consulted with experts, and analyzed auction records to bring you the top 10 most expensive watches of 2024. From limited edition pieces to one-of-a-kind creations, these watches are truly fit for kings. The process of creating a luxury watch is an art form that requires precision, patience, and attention to detail. Each watch on this list is a masterpiece that showcases the ingenuity and craftsmanship of its creator. Whether it's a vintage piece or a modern marvel, every watch has a unique story to tell, and we're about to dive into the fascinating world of luxury timepieces. We'll explore the intricate details, the historical significance, and the astronomical prices that make these watches the most coveted in the world. Watches are more than just time-telling devices. They are symbols of luxury, craftsmanship, and heritage. For centuries, they have been crafted with meticulous attention to detail, combining engineering marvels with artistic mastery. In 2024, the world of horology continues to fascinate with some of the most breathtakingly expensive watches ever created. These timepieces are not only functional, but are also considered works of art, often adorned with precious metals, gemstones, and intricate complications. Here's a look at the top 10 most expensive watches in the world in 2024. 1. Graf Diamond's Hallucination, $55 million. The Graf Diamond's Hallucination stands unrivaled as the most expensive watch in the world in 2024. This masterpiece was created by Graf Diamonds, a London-based luxury jeweler known for its opulent creations. The Hallucination is a watch that lives up to its name, boasting an array of rare, multicolored diamonds set in a platinum bracelet. Key features: over 110 carats of rare, fancy-colored diamonds, including pink, yellow, green, and blue stones. Each diamond is meticulously cut into various shapes, such as heart, marquise, emerald, and round. The watch's design is intended to be an extravagant showcase of Graf's diamond expertise, rather than a time-telling piece. Why so expensive? The rarity and quality of the diamonds used in the Hallucination are unparalleled. The time, effort, and craftsmanship required to set each stone precisely into this colorful mosaic make it a true work of art. And the price tag reflects the rarity and extravagance of the materials used. 2. Graf Diamonds. The Fascination, $40 million. Another masterpiece from Graf Diamonds, the Fascination, takes the second spot. This watch is not only a timepiece, but also a convertible piece of jewelry. It can be transformed from a wristwatch into a stunning diamond ring, making it versatile as well as luxurious. Key features: contains 152.96 carats of white diamonds. Features a detachable 38.13 carat pear-shaped diamond that can be worn as a ring. The diamonds are meticulously cut and set in a way that enhances their brilliance and fire. Why so expensive? The ability to transform this piece from a watch to a ring adds to its uniqueness and versatility. The sheer number of carats and the quality of the diamonds used contribute to its staggering price. 3. Breguet Grande, Complication. Marie Antoinette, $30 million, commissioned in 1783 for Queen Marie Antoinette, the Breguet Grande Complication. Marie Antoinette took over 40 years to complete and was finished long after her death. This watch is renowned for its historical significance, mechanical complexity, and exquisite design. Key features: self-winding with a perpetual calendar, minute repeater, thermometer, power reserve indicator, and chime. Made of gold with sapphire glass to reveal the intricate inner workings. It represents the pinnacle of 18th century watchmaking. Why so expensive? This watch is not just a timepiece, it is a piece of history. The years of craftsmanship and the unique complications included make it an extraordinary example of horological art, hence its high value. 4. Patek Philippe Grandmaster Chime, reference 6300A 010, $31 million. The Patek Philippe Grandmaster Chime, reference 6300 Z010, is known as the most complicated wristwatch ever created by Patek Philippe, one of the most respected names in watchmaking. This one-of-a-kind piece was sold at auction for a record-breaking $31 million. Key features. Features 20 complications, including a grande and petite sonnerie, minute repeater, instantaneous perpetual calendar, and second time zone. Reversible case with 2 dials, one in rose gold and one in black ebony. Over 100,000 hours of research and development went into creating this watch. Why so expensive? The Grandmaster Chime is a technical marvel, combining an array of complications with an elegant design. Its status as a unique piece and the complexity of its movement make it one of the most valuable watches in the world. 5. Jaeger-LeCoultre Joaillerie 101. Manchette, $26 million. The Jaeger-LeCoultre Joaillerie 101 Manchette is a unique blend of watchmaking and high jewelry. This piece is designed to look like an intricate bracelet while still functioning as a timepiece, hidden among its jewels. Key features. Houses the caliber 101, the smallest mechanical movement in the world, encrusted with diamonds and other precious stones set in white gold. The design is customizable, allowing for a variety of precious stones and metals. Why so expensive? The combination of one of the world's smallest watch movements with luxurious gemstones and precious metals creates a piece of wearable art. The craftsmanship required to build such a delicate yet complex timepiece contributes to its value. Chopard 201 Carat Watch, $25 million. Chopard, a Swiss luxury watch and jewelry maker, is known for its exquisite creations. The Chopard 201 Carat Watch, adorned with a total of 201 carats of colored diamonds, is one of the most extravagant watches ever made. Key features: contains a 15-carat pink diamond, a 12-carat blue diamond, and an 11-carat white diamond. Surrounded by clusters of yellow and white diamonds, totaling 201 carats. The watch opens like a flower to reveal the dial beneath. Why so expensive? The sheer number of high-quality diamonds used in this watch makes it exceptionally valuable. The unique flower design and the engineering required to create such a piece also contribute to its high price. 7. Patek Philippe Henry Graves. Super complication, $24 million. The Patek Philippe Henry Graves Super Complication is a pocket watch that holds a special place in horological history. Commissioned by banker Henry Graves in 1925, this watch took 7 years to design and build and held the title of the world's most complicated watch for decades. Key features: 24 complications, including a perpetual calendar, moon phases, star chart, and Westminster chimes. Made of 18-karat gold and features an intricate double-dial design. A masterpiece of engineering, created without the aid of computers. Why so expensive? Its historical significance, unmatched complexity, and the years of labor involved in its creation make it a true collector's item. It represents the pinnacle of Patek Philippe's craftsmanship and is regarded as one of the most important watches ever made. 8. Jacob & Co. Billionaire Watch. $18 million. Jacob & Co., known for its flamboyant designs and celebrity clientele, created the Billionaire Watch as a celebration of luxury and opulence. This watch is a statement piece that exudes wealth and extravagance. Key features: set with 260 carats of emerald-cut diamonds. Features a skeleton dial showcasing the movement with a tourbillon. The diamonds are set in a way that makes the watch appear almost transparent. Why so expensive? The sheer number of diamonds and the high quality of the stones used in this watch make it incredibly valuable. The watch's unique design and the brand's prestige also add to its high price. 9. Rolex Paul Newman Daytona. Reference 6239, 17.8 million. The Rolex Paul Newman Daytona reference 6239 is not only one of the most expensive watches in the world, but also one of the most iconic. Owned by actor and race car driver Paul Newman, this watch became a symbol of style and elegance. Key features: features an Art Deco-style dial, known as the Paul Newman dial, stainless steel case with a high-contrast black and white dial, manual winding chronograph with a 36mm case size. Why so expensive? Its connection to Paul Newman, combined with its rarity and the timeless appeal of the design, makes this watch highly coveted by collectors. The record-breaking auction price reflects both its historical significance and the enduring appeal of Rolex timepieces. 10. Vacheron Constantin reference 57260, $16 million. Vacheron Constantin, one of the oldest watchmakers in the world, created the reference 57260 to commemorate its 260th anniversary. This watch is currently the most complicated mechanical watch in existence. Key features: boasts 57 complications, including multiple calendars, a split-seconds chronograph, a minute repeater, and an astronomical calendar. The movement is composed of 2,826 individual components. Features a double-dial design housed in an 18-karat white gold case. Why so expensive? The reference 57260 is a testament to Vacheron Constantin's watchmaking expertise. Its unmatched complexity, technical innovation, and meticulous craftsmanship make it one of the most remarkable and valuable timepieces in the world. The world of luxury watches continues to push the boundaries of design, craftsmanship, and creativity. Each of these timepieces represents a unique combination of history, technology, and artistry, making them not just tools for telling time, but symbols of status and sophistication. In 2024, these watches stand as the ultimate expressions of luxury, each telling a story of its own and commanding prices that reflect their rarity and prestige. Whether you are a watch enthusiast or simply someone who appreciates the finer things in life, these incredible watches offer a glimpse into the world of high-end horology, where time is measured not just in minutes and seconds, but in carats, complications, and craftsmanship. And so finally, as we have seen that the most expensive watch of 2024 is the Graf Diamonds The Fascination, a truly one-of-a-kind piece featuring 38 carats of radiant diamonds, including a 38-carat emerald-cut diamond. This masterpiece is not only a work of art, but also a testament to the ingenuity and craftsmanship of the world's top jewelers. The story behind this watch is one of passion, dedication, and attention to detail. With a price tag of over $40 million, around $55 million, and it's no wonder this watch takes the top spot. As we've explored the top 10 most expensive watches of 2024, it's clear that these timepieces are more than just accessories. They're works of art, pieces of history, and symbols of success. Whether you're a watch enthusiast, a luxury aficionado, or simply someone who appreciates the finer things in life, these watches are truly awe-inspiring. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of luxury watches. Which one of these incredible timepieces did you find the most fascinating? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos on luxury items.